So hello everyone, welcome to helpingmath.com. So this time we continue to cover two small independent sample hypothesis testing. Okay, look at this example. An engineer wants to compare the tensile strength of steel bar that are produced using a conventional method and an experimental method. To do so, the engineer randomly selects steel bar that are manufactured using each method and record the following tensile strength. Alpha equal to 0.10, can engineer claim that the experimental method produces steel with greater mean tensile strength? Should the engineer recommend using the experimental method? Assume the population variance are not equal. Okay. So unlike the given data set like x1 bar and the x2 bar like that, so this time we got the data here. So what I want to do, I'm gonna organize experimental method and then old method using these two columns, and then we will start using Excel data analysis tool. Okay, so let's do it. So column A, I'm gonna put experimental, and then so column 2 become old method here. So I'm gonna record all those data. So 395 and then 289 like that. Then you get like this. Okay. So I'm using Excel data analysis tool, and then start doing the hypothesis testing here. So click data analysis, and then this you click to t-test to sample assuming unequal variance basically. Okay, then now variable 1 range we are inputting experimental method, and then variable 2 will be old method. So this I also click title, so I'm gonna label. If you only click the data, then don't click this one. Now this time alpha equal to 0.10, so I'm gonna switch 0.10, and then I'm gonna put output on the same worksheet, so maybe around here. Okay, then now so this is our data here. Okay, so now we need to know whether this is the one tail test or two tail test. So as you see, this is the one tail, especially right tail test, right? So now I'm gonna using the p-value for one tail value here, and now also t critical value one tail, this one. Then I also highlight that t statistic. So this is the basically sample t score value basically. So I'm gonna highlight all those three values here. Okay, so based on the p-value, so our p-value equal to 0.00126, and then alpha was 0.10. Okay, so which one is greater? Yes, alpha is greater, right? So alpha is greater, so which means we can reject HO. Okay, then now even using t statistic, the sample t score, and then our t critical value. So based on this right tail test, so now we can make, so just making this is maybe 3 decimal digit. Okay, so based on 1.323, and this right side become HA, and then the left side become HO. Okay, so when you look at t statistic value, where this values belongs to, is it HO area or HA area? In other words, is this value smaller than 1.323? If so, then it should be HO area. If this value is bigger than this value, then it should be belongs to HA area. Yeah, obviously, yeah, this value belongs to an HA, right? Okay, so based on that, we can also conclude that reject HO. Okay, now claim was an HA, and then we reject HO, so there is enough evidence to support the claim so that uh, so engineer can recommend the experimental method. Okay, so that's the conclusion for this problem. Alright, thanks for joining this video.